Hi everybody, welcome to this refrigerator upgrade video. I'm getting a bigger mini fridge with a built-in freezer. Sticking with the conventional AC refrigerator because the portables in my book are just insanely expensive. So, sticking with the AC fridge, going from a 3.1, I believe that is, cubic foot mini fridge up to a 4.5 cubic foot, and it has its own dedicated freezer cabinet. Went to a Lowe's and got the last one on the very top of the shelves. I had to get out there, scissor lift, and pick it down for me. I was very happy to get it. So that is obviously a bit taller than this one. I'm gonna have to take out the support bar, move it up. Thankfully it's got some wood support pieces in the same location as it is down here, so I can just put that up. And then relocate this strap, a couple straps there. This has just a little freezer cabinet, I don't even know what you call that, freezer compartment. That's not even a freezer in my book. That's just a cooling area for the rest of the refrigerator. So yeah, I don't have a freezer. It's going to be a game changer having frozen meat, frozen food, potatoes, a way to keep food longer. There we go. Gonna need that vacuum, that's for sure. Alright, there it is. Oh, look at that little fridge. That is so awesome. I mean, freezer. Oh, that brings back memories. I install these things all day, the full-size ones anyway, at my last apartment complex. Jobs now come looking like this, covered in this light blue tape. Keeping everything in place. 1.4 amps at 115 volts. Alright, got all the packaging material out, and time to do the hinge flip, hinge swap, hinge switch. Take the hinges off. I'll start with the top. Take the top hinge off, take the door off, close it, makes it a little easier. Okay, now the door should come off. Just open it up, pull it up. Okay, let's do the next one. middle hinge. Don't lose the spacer. Okay, now this door will come off. Open it up. Pull up. Now we need to move the bottom hinge over. And for the first time I see that the foot for this side is actually on the hinge. That is weird. It's a beefy hinge, but I don't know. It's definitely new to me, so I guess the foot's got to be relocated as well. Not sure I like that. I mean, if this fell down and just went jump hard enough, that's gonna bend that hinge, whether or not there's a door on there. It'll be a little harder with the door on there because it's got a. I don't know if I like that. Doesn't matter. Go to the fridge. Oh, and that's probably gonna get in the way of the support beams I have in there, so I have to probably move those around, or maybe just figure out how to put a foot somewhere else. I'm gonna do that later. Either way, it's metal. If it gets bent, I can bend it back. Also, I need to remind myself this is a mini fridge, not a full-size fridge. It's probably fine. Okay, now this foot can go here. And it's your only adjusting foot as well. I guess, does this adjust? Yeah. I don't like that. Okay, so this also has to be flipped, this foot and peg. The hinge needs to go like that on this side as well. Okay, now that that's put on the other side, I can put this in. Oh, we gotta take a screw out. That is in the way. And put that over here. And if this is unlevel, this foot will be how you raise and lower it. Okay, now it's time to put the doors back on. Make sure there's no, looks like there's going to be plugs here too. I doubt there's one on the bottom. So move that plug over. Back in. Oh, there's gotta be a swing though, or a overswing bracket. What do you call that? This thing. That needs to go on the other side. Actually, looks like there's two of them. Oh. Okay, cool. So they put one on each side to make things a little easier for you. There we go. Just gonna put that over. Middle hinge and spacers. Screws. See, there was, what I say, one on the top, two on the bottom. So now it's two on the bottom, one on the top. Check the swings on the bottom, make sure that's also got them, and it does. These overswing preventers, there's a name for it, I forget. I think we just call them door swings or something. Okay. Alright, there we go. Get a left-hand swing. Two-door mini fridge. I kind of like the texture on the top too. I wonder if that's for heat dispersal. Got a little notch cut out for that foot. Got the straps relocated. And things are vacuumed. Ah, it's so nice having the fridge open on the proper side. Firmly planted. Just, well, I think at this point we should plug it in and make sure it cools down and all that. Okay, sides are starting to warm up, so that means we are removing heat and cooling things down. Let's strap it in and start getting some stuff loaded in there. Fridges will cool down much quicker if you could put all your cold items in there. Oh, it's got a light, that's right. I love that. Hey, look at that, good spot for the relish. Carrots, cheese. Ah, it smells like a brand new fridge. I'm so happy. So tired of struggling with this thing, ruining all my food, and not having enough space, and not having a freezer. Butter. Worry about organizing later. Just get the stuff in here so it can cool down faster. Freezer got cold quick. I am loving this right now. Oh, yes. It's a place for my meat. Fish strips, or chicken strips, or fish fillets. Tartar sauce. Hamburgers. I can even fit chicken in there now. Ooh, boy. Get back into some of these cooking videos. Gosh, I love that little light in there. That is so handy. Just a happier fridge. And it's got a light. Oh no, I grabbed the wrong side of the bag. Hard-boiled eggs. Broccoli. So I think normally this goes in there, doesn't it? I can't remember what the purpose of these for. I didn't ever pay any or bother to use it. I think it's, they call that a crisper drawer or something. I don't see how that matters. I would assume that it stays a little warmer since the compressor's right there in this part. Or maybe it stays a little cooler because it's at the bottom. I don't know. Somebody tell me what that's for. Ranch. Gotta stay stocked up on the ranch. This is the only ranch that exists. All of the ranches just taste like garbage. Can't believe I ever used normal ranch. Doesn't even get this. Madness. Eggs. More eggs. Jalapenos and olives. Garlic stuffed. Cucumber from the garden. Lemon cucumber. I rather like this. I was wondering what I was going to put in there, because I don't think they can water. Canned water, that would actually be kind of funny. I would buy canned water. You know, I think I just want to take that thing out the bottom. I don't know what that's for. It just takes up more room. Unless that's supposed to be, I don't know. Let me know what that's for. Maybe I should be using it. I don't know. Who knows? Alright, now that is one happy looking fridge. I love it. And only using just a tiny bit more power. I'm just going to say that uses, I'll say that uses the same amount of power. It's got fresh seals. It's probably more efficient. So that's using the same power. And now I have a freezer. I'll make sure. I'm picking that too. Fail. No, don't go under it. I'll never get to it. Here, get up and over. Emergency. I see now this is also shorter by about an inch. So shorter widthwise, and then an inch shorter lengthwise. Not the biggest deal, but I should probably move this board back. This is supposed to keep it from vibrating forward out of the cabinet, just in case these straps fail. Okay. Yes, a happy fridge. Let's get this out of there. That's better. Happy, happy food. Awesome. Good place to store all my extra bread and beans and rice, all that stuff. Clear out this area. I'd want all the food over on this side, and then I can have stuff like that up in there, and then some computer stuff, since I got like an extra keyboard and things like that. And put all that into there. It'll be awesome. And yeah, I got a backup mini fridge just in case. A little table to set things on. Love it. Cooking shows inbound. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.